Hi everyone. Are you having trouble while printing your design from Canva? Then you are at right place. Today I will show you multiple ways to print your design from Canva. We will cover how to use the print from Canva option, what to do if it's not available in your region, and how to download and print your design yourself. So before proceeding, make sure you have like and subscribe ITPK and let's get started. Okay, the first method we are going to see here on your top right corner of your screen, you will see an option Print with Canva. If you go to Share button, you will be able to see Print with Canva option here as well. If you are not able to see Print with Canva option here, this is because that this option isn't available in your region. So to fix this, just go ahead and install this browsing extension in your Google Chrome browser and change your location to United Kingdom or the United States. I'm all done with this demo business card and I want to print it with Canva. Let's go ahead and click on this option. Here it's asking me to select my required option and click on continue. So that is fine. I'm not going to change any option here. I want to click on continue. Now here we could see that do a final check. Download a PDF to do a final proofread and see how your design will look once printed. So I will recommend you just go ahead and download it as a PDF. Okay, download it on desktop and save it. Once it's downloaded, I could just go ahead, open up my design, and here I got the option to print this design by selecting any printer available in my network here. And if we go back to Canva, I want to show you that we have an option add to cart. You could also go with this option if you want to add your payment method and check out this design from Canva. So basically, we will prefer here to proceed with the free option that I have showed you after downloading my PDF of the card and I could print it to my printer. Now let's say what we will do if we are not getting print with Canva option here. Let me disable this proxy from here. Let me refresh the page and you could see now I will not get any option like print from Canva. And please note that this method will work in both cases. Just go to share button here. Go ahead and download your finalized design to your computer. Again, here are some settings if you want to change or update. I'm okay with everything. I want to download it to my computer. Let's download it on the desktop and I want to name it 001 at the end so that I can differentiate blue, gray, minimalist, modern business card. Fine. Let's save it. Let's open up the folder and here let's say I have my finalized design. Now here you could see we also got the print option and we could also see the shortcut key that is Control plus P. In the last method, if I right click on here, I will be able to see print option here. Let's go ahead and click on print. Now here we could go ahead and select our printer from the list. Once done, we could go ahead and just click on the print button. This will print our required document totally free. So these are the multiple ways we have seen to print from Canva totally free. Using Canva's own print service, downloading as a PDF or printing directly from your computer. If the print option isn't showing in your Canva account, just enable the VPN and you will get it instantly. So that's it about today's quick video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe ITPK and I will see you in the next one.